with Original Strength, and this week I thought I would show you a little bit more on how you can combine your resets with your strength training, specifically with this week with deadlifts or hinging exercises like the deadlift, the kettlebell swing, or the kettlebell snatch, anything that's a hinge. And a hinge is simply folding here. So, and remember, a reset is a reset, and your body needs the reset it needs. But some resets do lend themselves well to certain movements or certain exercises. And the truth is rocking, well, rocking is, the hips are hinging. So rocking is a phenomenal reset for the deadlift or any other hinging exercise, but there are other ones too. So, you know what? Let me show you what a Romanian deadlift looks like, just so you kind of get the picture of where I'm going with this. So the Romanian deadlift is obviously, it's a hinge. So one reset I like that I think goes really well with that is breathing in this position here. And if you look, this is really an upside down Romanian deadlift or hinge. If I had a bar in my hand, you could just flip me around, and it looks really like the same thing. And if you remember, this was the very first ab strengthening exercises in the sequence we did for building a strong center. It was this position, breathing in this position. So what you want to do is keep your knees pulled up towards your chest and your tailbone off the floor, tongue on the roof of your mouth, and breathe deep down into your belly. And I like this for pairing it with the deadlift because, well, it's a hinge and you're breathing under reflexive tension. And if you get really good at breathing under reflexive tension, when you start to pull something, and that's not heavy, but when you start to pull something heavy, if you're good at breathing under tension, well then you'll be good at breathing under tension. And you need good tension when you're pulling deadlifts or doing explosive hinging exercises. Another reset I really like to pair that I think is phenomenal is marching. And if you look, I should show you this side. So this is a hinge right here. And because this marching, we're doing contralateral limb movement, we're really waking up the nervous system, getting your brain lit up. Both hemispheres are communicating with each other, getting the shoulders working with the hips, just turning everything on. And that's what you want. You want everything on, reflexively firing when you go to do something heavy, or especially a heavy hinge or an explosive hinge. So yes, rocking is still a phenomenal reset for deadlifts, but so again is breathing and marching. Give those a shot if you are someone that loves to play with your deadlifts or swings or snatches, or even maybe some Olympic weightlifting moves. Give those a shot between your sets or before your sets and see what you think. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our pressing reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.